Guys, welcome again to my video. Another problem, which is ratio and proportion. So the problem is ratio of A, B, C is equals to 4, 5, 7. 4 is to 5 is to 7. Okay, so ang problem is if A plus B plus C is 320, find B. So ang unahin natin yung sum of ratio. Okay, so yung ratio natin, yung sum. So yung sum dito is 4 plus 5 plus 7. So 4 plus 5 plus 7, 9 plus 7 is 16. Okay, so one part, okay, so one part is 16. So 320, o 320, yung one part niya, okay, i-divide natin yung 320 sa 16. So 320 divide 16 is 20. Okay, 20. So B, so yung B is ito, no, nakatutok siya sa 5. So 5, so B is 5 multiplied by this 20, yung one part, which is 20. B is equals to 100. Okay, so easy lang, no? So thank you guys for watching. Follow for more math videos. Okay, thank you.